Have you ever paused in your day to ponder who invented the wheel? It's a question that may seem simple, but the answer is steeped in the annals of history, shrouded in the mists of time. Imagine a world without the wheel. It seems unfathomable now, doesn't it? But there was indeed a time when humanity trudged along without the knowledge of this pivotal invention. Welcome to our journey through the history and evolution of the wheel. The wheel, a seemingly simple invention, has had a profound impact on human civilization throughout the ages. The story of the wheel begins in ancient Mesopotamia, often referred to as the cradle of civilization, around 5,500 years ago. Mesopotamian potters were the first to use the wheel as a potter's wheel. It wasn't for transportation, but rather for creating their pottery more efficiently. The wheel at this point was a slow-turning platform assisting the potter in shaping and finishing their creations. It was a simple tool, yet it had a profound impact on the way work was conducted. Time moved forward, and around 300 years later the wheel took on a new role. The people of the Eurasian steppes, a vast region stretching from modern-day Hungary to Mongolia, began to use the wheel for transportation. They discovered that attaching two wheels to an axle and then attaching that axle to a platform made moving heavy objects much easier. The first wheeled vehicles were born, and the wheel started its journey from a potter's tool to a transportation device. Fast forward to the Bronze Age, and the wheel had become an integral part of chariots, making them swifter and more efficient on the battlefield. The wheel was no longer just a tool for labor or transport, but a powerful weapon of war. As centuries rolled on, the wheel continued to evolve. The Romans, renowned for their engineering prowess, developed the concept of the hub, the center of the wheel. This advancement made the wheel stronger and capable of bearing more weight, allowing the construction of larger and more complex vehicles. The Middle Ages saw the invention of the spoked wheel, drastically reducing the weight of the wheel while maintaining its strength. This enabled the creation of more advanced vehicles like carriages and wagons, marking another significant leap in the evolution of the wheel. Fast forward to the 18th century, and the wheel was about to undergo another transformation. The Industrial Revolution brought about the invention of the steam engine, and with it, the locomotive. The wheel was now not just a part of carts and carriages, but a crucial component of machines that could travel at unprecedented speeds. The 20th century saw the wheel evolve yet again with the advent of the automobile. Rubber tires were added to wheels, providing better grip and a smoother ride. The wheel had now become an integral part of a machine that would revolutionize personal transport. And now in the 21st century, the wheel continues to evolve. From the wheels on Mars rovers exploring the red planet to the wheels on electric cars zipping silently along our roads, the wheel is as relevant today as it was when it first spun in the hands of a Mesopotamian potter. So who invented the wheel? The answer is lost to history. But what we do know is that the wheel, in its various forms and iterations, has been a constant companion in our journey through time. It has shaped our civilizations, powered our progress, and continues to drive us forward into the future. The story of the wheel is indeed a testament to human ingenuity and our ceaseless quest for advancement. And that is our story of the history and evolution of what is arguably one of the most important inventions in history. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories of inventors and their inventions.